Using implicit differentiation, find dy over dx in terms of x and y. We have sine square x plus 2 cosine square y is equal to 1. If we rewrite this equation, that's sine x squared plus 2 times cosine y squared is equal to 1. So we're going to differentiate this equation in terms of x. Then derivative of this expression, this function, we have to apply power rule first. So 2 times sine x times the chain rule, derivative of sine, which is a cosine, plus for this function, we have to apply power rule first. So 2 times 2, 4 cosine y times the derivative of cosine y, chain rule, right? So cosine, that's a negative sine y, times, we're not done yet, right? Because we have to multiply by the derivative of y itself, another chain rule. So that's dy over dx. And this is equal to derivative of 1 constant is always equal to 0. Now what we need to do is we got to solve for dy over dx. So negative 4 cosine y times sine y dy over dx is equal to negative 2 sine x cosine x. Therefore, dy over dx, since we have negative here, make it positive, that is equal to 2 sine x cosine x over 4 cosine y sine y. And if we simplify this coefficient, that's 1, that's going to be 2.